Paul again here from EMD. Today I've got a Mercedes Benz with the actual battery light on when you're driving the car, but the car still starts and runs. Says visit workshop, pretty much a red one like this. Take that off. So we just finished the repair, so we're going to try to erase the fault, make sure the light goes away. Okay, so go back into the actual car. Let's have a look at the fault codes I've got here. So BNS, look at those fault codes here. So this is here causing the actual battery to light up like that. So, and that ECU lives around here. All of this got to come off, and it leaves just under here. You just got to pull that carpet up, and it's just here. It's two wires, three wires going to the big terminal with the 13mm nut, and two wires going to the actual 10mm nut terminal. Alright, so now we're going to try to erase the faults and see what happened. Go back out and going to clear all the TDC. Before I can't clear anything. Alright. See the BNS there? Cleared. BNS. Let me. Cleared. See? All the faults getting cleared. And we're going to cycle the key. Ignition off. Turn the ignition off. Yep. Now clearing. Switch ignition on.